Welcome to the future of high-performance recovery and industrial-grade biohacking. Today, we are conducting a deep-dive technical review of the Reparospace Commercial 2 ATA HBOT Hyperbaric chamber. This is not your average portable unit. This is the gold standard for commercial and elite residential oxygen therapy solutions. When we talk about elite performance at SmartSkillPath, we aren't just discussing training, we are discussing the science of the cell. The Reparospace Commercial 2 ATA is engineered for those who demand the absolute peak of pressure and precision. At 2 ATA, or 2 atmospheres of absolute pressure, this chamber allows for a significantly higher concentration of oxygen to be dissolved into the blood plasma. This isn't just breathing, it's hyperoxygenating the entire body, accelerating tissue repair, reducing systemic inflammation, and slashing recovery times for athletes and high-performance individuals. If you are an ageless warrior or a professional athlete, this is the machine that keeps you in the cage and out of the clinic. From a sourcing perspective, the build quality here is industrial grade. It features a reinforced structure designed for high-frequency commercial use while maintaining the portability required for elite home setups. The control systems are intuitive, allowing for precise pressure management and safety protocols that meet the highest international standards. We are looking at a system that balances complex medical-grade engineering with a user-friendly interface. At SmartSkillPath.com, our mission is to connect you with these high-ticket sourcing finds. We don't just find products, we find the infrastructure of success. This chamber represents a $45,000 investment in human capital. Whether you are looking to outfit a professional fight camp, a luxury wellness center, or your own private biohacking lab, the Reparospace Commercial 2 ATA is the definitive answer. The integration of this tech into your routine is what separates the amateurs from the masters. In the world of industrial sourcing and elite combat sports, we look for systems that offer no wasted movement. Every minute spent inside this chamber is a minute spent repairing the damage of the grind. It is the perfect synergy between our MMA training philosophy and our industrial sourcing expertise. When you purchase through our verified sourcing channels, you aren't just getting a product, you're getting the SmartSkillPath guarantee of technical excellence. We bridge the gap between global manufacturers and the elite end user. This is why we focus on high-ticket, high-impact machinery. The Reparospace Commercial 2 ATA isn't just an oxygen chamber, it is a time machine for your muscles and a catalyst for your cognitive performance. If you're ready to stop the handiwork and start investing in the technical systems that drive results, this is your next acquisition. We've done the research, we've vetted the specs, and we've confirmed the industrial viability. This is the equipment that defines the ageless warrior lifestyle. For the technical specifications, shipping logistics, and industrial breakdown of the Reparospace range, head over to SmartSkillPath.com. We are bringing the world's most advanced recovery technology directly to your headquarters. Stay intentional. Stay efficient. And never stop improving. SmartSkillPath is where the world's best find their edge. The Reparospace Commercial 2 ATA, engineered for excellence, sourced for the elite. Done and dusted. For more information, click the link in description.
Stick around to see the full system analysis right after the intro.
If you're serious about recovery, performance, and long-term health, then you need to pay attention to this, because most people train hard, but they recover wrong. And that's exactly where progress gets stuck. Today I want to introduce you to something that's changing the game for athletes, fighters, and even everyday people. The Reparospace Commercial 2 ATA HBOT Hyperbaric chamber. Now let me break it down. Simple. This is a portable hyperbaric oxygen therapy system, designed to flood your body with pure oxygen, at higher pressure levels. Why does that matter? Because oxygen is life. It's what your muscles need to repair, your brain needs to function, and your body needs to recover faster. When you step inside this chamber, you're increasing the amount of oxygen your blood can carry. That means faster healing, less inflammation, better recovery, and improved performance. Now think about this. If you're training MMA, if you're lifting, if you're pushing your body daily, you're constantly creating stress and Damage. That's normal. But what separates average from elite is how fast you recover. And this is where this chamber comes in. Instead of waiting days to feel better, you accelerate the process. You come back stronger, quicker, sharper. This is why high-level athletes, fighters, and even biohackers are using hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Not as a luxury, but as a tool. Now let's talk about the Reparospace system specifically. This is not some bulky hospital setup. This is portable. You can set it up at home, in your gym, even in a private space. It's designed for convenience, but still delivers powerful results. Up to 2 ATA pressure, which means deeper oxygen penetration into tissues. That's serious performance. Level recovery. And here is the real benefit: consistency. Because when you have access to something like this, you don't just use it once. You build it into your routine. Just like training, just like nutrition, just like discipline. And over time, that's where the transformation happens. Better endurance, faster recovery, sharper focus, stronger body. Now imagine combining this with your current training. Your workouts hit harder, your recovery gets faster, and your results start compounding. That's the edge. That's what separates people who stay stuck from those who level up. So if you're someone who takes your performance seriously, or you just want to optimize your health at a higher level, then this is something you should definitely look into. Because in today's world, recovery is no longer optional, it's essential.